Okay, so you are looking right now for the option to play only Hardcore Nuketown 24/7 in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first you want to make sure to click on multiplayer, then go down to find a match. On top we have this find a match, and down here Nuketown 24/7. If we press on info, we just get this overview and not the option to play hardcore only. So click on this little filter option on the right on quick play, and now we are in the core mode and we want to click on hardcore on the right. And now the last option is Hardcore Nuketown 24/7. So just deselect all other game modes and make sure that Hardcore Nuketown 24/7 is ticked, and just press find a match on the top. And now, as you can see, we are playing Hardcore Nuketown 24/7. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.